Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your DOOGEE Fire 7. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So if you use something metallic, then you can only damage the port even more, and if it's not damaged and it's just not working, then you can damage it and it won't work completely. So make sure to use a non-metallic tool. You can use a soft brush for an example, you can use an air compressor, but the soft brush is definitely the best choice here. Now, what you guys want to do next, you can go over, and what you guys want to do is go to the camera. I know it seems a bit odd, but change the camera to the video. Now, start recording yourself talking, and then save the video. After that, you just go here, and you can see, now start recording yourself. As you guys can see, my microphone is working. Now we can move this to trash, and after that, if your microphone is still not working, what you guys can do is restart your phone to refresh those minor glitches. So the microphone that is not working, hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now tap on the restart and tap again to restart your device. Now it's restarting, so I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, what you guys can do is simply unlock your phone, and after that, as a last resort, you can update your software to fix any glitches. So wait for your phone to load everything up. Now go over into the settings, and after that, just swipe down until you guys see system. So, system is almost at the bottom. Now you can click it, and after that, go to the system update right up top. Here, you need to click check for updates, but you need stable Wi-Fi connection first in order to do that, or just basically any connection, mobile data works too. So, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it, because you need to keep up with the latest version of your software, because older versions have a lot of glitches and the newer versions have less glitches or close to zero. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.